All right, so while we're doing this fraction, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take each fraction and divide it into fourths, because that's what we're starting with. And you can see in the top, I have my question of how many 1/4ths are there in 3 wholes. Okay. So I have to take each fraction and divide it into fourths like this, each one 4 equal pieces as much as possible, like this. And now I have to shade in each one a 1 piece of the 4. So I really just made 3 different shapes, or 3 shapes that are exactly the same, divided them the same, and then shaded them the same. And now I have to answer my question of how many 1/4ths are there in these 3 holes. Okay? So all I have to do is to count. Here's 1/4, here's another 1/4, and there is a third 1/4. So my total at the bottom is that I have 3 1/4ths, or 1/4 times 3 equals 3/4.